Keto Diet for the over 40 male. For men over 40 which are ready to make a lifestyle change but aren't sure where to start, switching to a low-carb plan like the Keto Diet might be the answer that they've been searching for. The Keto Diet forces the body into ketosis. This means it uses dietary fats instead of carbohydrates for energy. Ketosis causes rapid weight loss, which is great for a busy man looking to lose weight. Men tend to have bigger appetites than women. As men age, the chances of dying from heart disease, cancer, and other conditions increases. It is therefore important when they are over 40 that any diet they follow is not harmful to their health. Due to the large amount of fat in the keto diet, men over 40 need to make sure that they don't eat too many saturated fats. Secondly, older men need 30 grams of fibre each day. As the keto diet is low in fibre, it is not recommended long term. A way to overcome this is to try what is called carb cycling. For example, one day a week, try to eat a good selection of vegetables with your meals. This is because vegetables contain plenty of fibre, along with a lot of nutrients that are also great for overall health and immunity. Eating vegetables will also help stop constipation, prevent bowel cancer, and also keep the gut healthy. Unfortunately, the diet can cause something called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This can double a mature man's risk of dying and is caused by eating too much saturated fat like that found in red meat. It has long been believed that as men reach middle age, their metabolism naturally slows down. This causes weight gain, which is a typical problem in men over 40. And it gets worse the older they get. This makes it hard to lose that stubborn belly fat. However, recent research now suggests that this weight gain is more to do with lifestyle than metabolism. The keto diet doesn't increase metabolism, but takes more energy to break down fat and protein than carbohydrates. This helps the weight loss process. Pasta, bread, alcohol, and soda drinks could slow down your metabolism. As these are not eaten on a keto diet, this is another great benefit for the older gent. There is one huge benefit of the keto diet for men over 40. That is that it's reported to increase testosterone. This is good news, as this important hormone does decline with age. Low levels of testosterone are linked to increased risk of Alzheimer's and heart failure. Despite wanting to be slim, it is important that men consider health first and foremost. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.